Presenting the DOMO Slate X series with an upgraded 28nm quad-core processor. It offers quite a punch in its sleek housing. It features 4 Cortex-A7 cores running at 1.8 GHz with 512 KB of L2 cache and a Mali-400 MP2 GPU. The DOMO Slate X15S has an internal storage of 16 GB which can be further expanded up to 512 GB using external storage cards. Simply plug in a MicroUSD card in the card slot and there you have it, an expanded internal storage. It has a MicroUSB port which can be used for charging or connecting external devices to the tablet like a keyboard, mouse, printer or a scanner, etc. The MicroUSB port can also be used to connect the tablet PC to a computer for data transfer. The Slate X15S also features a dedicated DC charging port which can be utilized in case you need to connect an external device to its MicroUSB port. The DOMO Slate X15S is a sleek and stylish tablet, packed with power and easy on your pockets. The DOMO Slate X series is a legacy in itself. It has been in production since 2011 and over the years has constantly upgraded itself for the better. The tablet is made in India and designed for the Indian masses. From a student to a professor, from an employer to an employee, the DOMO Slate X series caters to everyone's need. It offers a perfect balance between price, features, performance and quality. What we have at hand is a sleek multitasking tablet with the perfect price tag.